So we've been waiting for this. It's finally starting to snow. It's coming down. It just finally started. It was supposed to start last night, but it's just starting to hit the garden now. Not much to do outside, so today's a really good day to get seeds started. This is a tray of tomatoes. We got Amish, Cherokee purple, German pink, and some cherries, a couple of azoikas, honey delights, lemon boy, and some gold, stupus, pink fence. Pink fence are actually volunteer tomatoes that had come up in our garden, so we just really like them. Speckled Roman, again, fence. These are just regular, like, cherry tomatoes. And cream sausage. Shelly doesn't seem to care. She still likes the snow. So this is what's going on inside with all of our plants. They are looking pretty good. These are our latest ones. We just started the other day. Some more flowers. Just popping. Looking good. This whole rack over here is all of Keith's figs. Look at the citrus tree. Look at that. And over here is the lime tree, just starting to get some flowers on that one. So it's nice and warm indoors. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.